Let's assign Roland to cut grass. And then for the rat, it looks pretty strong, so we're going to have to assign that to Greybeard, who has a Cert 4 in Demolition. That leaves Aileen, so she'll be the one that can hunt the goblin. Now that we've assigned each of the heroes to a quest, we can deploy them and see how we go. If the hero is strong enough, we'll clear the quest, otherwise we'll fail. So the goblin was cleared, Durgus the rat cleared, and the thick grass cleared. Day 24 of building a mobile game in Unity every day. Today my focus was on UI. In my past games, my UI was pretty bad. The main reason being I've never built a nice UI, so I had no idea how much time it takes to make one. This was my first step towards good looking UI, starting with 9 sliced sprites. I always thought these were a bit mysterious and thought they'd be harder. A 9 slice sprite is a single sprite that can be cut into a 3x3 grid. It has 4 corners, 4 edges, and a centerpiece. Then the engine can stretch the edges to make a UI panel of any size. It's super quick and easy to make them. Just set the sprite type to single, then in the sprite editor set the border around the center. Now when you drag it onto the button or panel and set the type to sliced, it will do everything else for you, although you may need to adjust the pixels per unit. I also wanted to focus on making more diegetic UI, so I added flipping through the pages rather than using buttons. I would have liked to have done a lot more. I think there's still a lot of room for improvement. Obviously I still have a lot of buttons, but the UI has moved from an F to a D-. So this is what I got after 3 hours. There's several quests, goblins, rats, and some thick grass. Now you need to assign a hero to each task depending on the difficulty. Let's start with the thick grass. So you've got Sir Roland, who's got some XL skills, Aileen, who's got some archery skills, and Greybeard, who has a Cert 4 in Demolition. If we can clear all the bounties, then we win.